Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look at how you can earn money on Bybit without trading cryptocurrency coin. We're going to look at how you can make a little staking using flexible or normal savings. But our major focus today is going to be on a particular cryptocurrency coin, so that we can see what exactly we're going to earn. We're going to navigate ourselves directly to the end sections so that we can see exactly what is there for us to earn a lot of percentage from it. We're going to see how we can invest over 130 USD or 100 USD and see what we're going to earn in return. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos, so that a lot of people can gain value from it. Without a waste of time, we're going to navigate ourselves to the earning sessions. Okay, we'll navigate ourselves to the earning sessions. The earning are all on for Payp coin, also for Gaib coin. But let's go to the earn and see. Okay, let's go to the earn and see. This is the earn session is here. So here we are in the end. Now look at all that are available here. I always advise you to do flexible stakings. On that, you can always take out your money all the time, anytime. Okay, one of the most fascinating coin we're going to look at today is the Gaib coin. Do you know why? Because the Gaib coin is offering us 100%. You can see the Gaib coin is earning us, is promising us 100%. And to the glory of God, it's at flexible. I always advise you to stay flexible. So we're right here and it's flexible. Click on this particular arrow in order for it to take you forward, or click on steal the particular coin here for it to take you further. Okay, so we're going to click on this arrow. Clicking on this arrow will take us further. And before you stake this, you must make sure that you convert a lot of your USDT to Gaib coin. Okay, make sure your USDT is converted. And this coin APR is in real time, like always, every day. Every day your coin will be adding. All right, your profit will be adding, and it's in real time, every time. Let's just say every time. Can see it, can see it here, it's in real time. Okay, so as you all know, the APR we promised is 100%, which is this. I'm flexible, you can take it anytime. It does not have a specific time, you can take it anytime. Your estimated yield date will be appearing here. This is your estimated yield date, it will be appearing here. Your source of yield will be appearing here, which is savings. Your current invested amount will be appearing here. Okay, be appearing here. And the remaining pool size is here. It means this particular pool is very robust. A lot of people can still dive in and make a lot for themselves. All right, so now we'll take a look. How much coin is needed here? 350 minimum and 2000 maximum. I have already converted this. Okay, I've already converted this. So all I just need to do now is to click on max here, if you have not done that, because I have already the volume of this particular coin already. In this you cannot stake USD. You must know this. It must first and foremost be converted to this particular coin called Gaib, to this particular coin. And remember, you're looking for this 100%. So the minimum you can stake here is this 350, and the maximum of this coin you can stake here is 2000. All right, it's 2000. So let's see, 2000 of this particular coin, how much do we need for it? Let's go back there to the trade. Now look for the guy. 2000 of this particular coin, how much will it give us? Okay, let's say we need this particular coin, we need 2000 of this particular coin. I'm gonna go into impute the volume here. All right, I'm going to impute the volume here and see how much we need for it. 2000 of this particular coin. Okay, 2000 of this particular coin, you're going to need 138 USD, 0.28. You can see this is what you need. You need 138 USDT to get 2000 of this particular coin. Okay, you need this to get this. All right, so we're going to make your 130 USD available in order for you to get the maximum. You can invest less than 130, but if you invest 130, it will be better. Okay, so that you'll be able to earn much in returns. Okay, so let's go back there. Let's go back to the end. So we are here actually at the end. You can see, so the moment you have all this available, all you just need to do is to come to this place to click on marks. Click on marks. Okay, if you click on marks, this will be available for you. Okay, so this mine actually is currently less than 138, sorry. So the next thing you just need to do is to click on this place. If this place is not ticket, and click on this place to click on in order for you to invest. Okay, if you click on this place, it will be invested automatically, and when it's invested automatically, you will be expected to gain 100%. Okay, you'll be expected to get 100% of this. Okay, now you can come to this place to view your holding. Okay, you can come to this place to view your holding. All right, if you click on this place now, we're going to see what we're actually holding. So what are we holding? We're holding 106. Okay, we're holding 106 of this particular coin. If you want to get automatic earn, you turn on this.
You are holding 106 what? Please specify what you are referring to.
Sorry for the interruptions. So we're holding this total USD. Okay, and since it's real time, now keep watching this. Since it's real time, the yielding is real time. You can see that's already started yielding. Okay, this is actually working out. All right, this is actually working out, so it has already started yielding. So with this, you can make a lot of reasonable profits for yourself in due time. And don't forget, what you promised here is 100%. So we are hoping actually for this 100%. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to talk about this earning completely. I'll talk about earn completely and how this earn sections really works. On that place, I'll talk about this, and everything that you just need to know. And do not forget, if there's any video you want me to make, drop it in the comment sections and I'll go through that instantly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. This section is also on. I'll also drop my YouTube channel, my Telegram links, and also my WhatsApp links. Okay, so that you can all join and let's interact directly. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.